Hello guys and welcome back. In this video I will show you how to deposit money to Phantom wallet. So let's start this. So first open a Phantom application. So now once you are on the home page, click on this receive button and you will see a bunch of coins which currently Phantom wallet has. So it includes 4 coins which are Solana, Ethereum, Polygon and Bitcoin. So just select the coin which you want to deposit in your Phantom wallet. So let's say I want to deposit Solana in my Phantom wallet. So I will just click on this QR code option. Then I will click on this address. So now I have successfully copied my wallet address of Solana. Now the next step is to choose the exchange or wallet which currently holds Solana. So in this case I am gonna select Binance application, which is an exchange. So just open Binance application, then click on your wallets on the bottom right, then click on withdraw. Click on withdraw again. On the top search for Solana. Click on Solana and here are two options. So we have to choose the first option because we are sending it to another wallet. So just select send via crypto network. Now again come back into your Phantom application and click on this wallet address. Now just paste this wallet address over here which we copied from Solana Phantom application. As you can see, it automatically detected my network, which is Solana. Enter the withdrawal amount. So let's say I want to withdraw 10 Solana into my Phantom wallet. So I will just write 10, then click on withdraw and then you have to click on confirm. So after 1 or 2 minutes you will successfully deposit Solana in your Phantom wallet. Now another option of depositing money into your Phantom wallet is to just click on this buy option and here you will see the list of all the coins. So just select the coin which you want to deposit in your Phantom application. There are many coins but you have to select one. So in this case I will select Tether USDT. You can also see the network in front of this logo. So it is Ethereum, which is ERC20. Enter the amount of USDT you want to deposit in your Phantom application. So after you have done that, you have to click on buy. Then you have to confirm the transaction and you will successfully deposit USDT in your Phantom wallet. So I hope this video will help you. If so, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe this channel.